So, okay. So apparently, Dafook Boom was on Discord and he leaked part of the next skibidi toilet. Somebody just sent me this video. I'm really excited to see what it is. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, play.
What the fuck?
What the heck?
What the? No!
Yo.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What
OMG.
the hell?
What the fuck? Yo!
Yo!
Chat! What platform is he uploading skibidi? Ah! Chat, what?
Oh, G-Man! Bro,
Wait,
what
chat,
the fuck?
is that real? Oh my god! Okay, hold on. Everyone, stop. Stop. Is this actually real? Okay, is this the real Boom? Did he actually just post this? Like, what? Chat, why? What is cameraman? Chat, what's cameraman doing with this gun? Chat!
What the heck?
Ah!
What the? What the? What? What the? What? 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 What?
What the heck?
What the?
Chat, why are they making an adult skibidi? Chat, they're making an adult version of skibidi.
No!
Yo.
Okay, chat. Okay, all right, guys. 18 plus. Okay, all right, guys. Okay, let's look at the chat. Okay.